Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make chevron bracelet with a twist. I used straight edges technique to make the back look more interesting. As you can see, it looks really good, so you can wear it on both sides. Also, this bracelet is good if you want to practice how to make all 4 basic knots. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you do not miss my new tutorials. Now, are you ready for some knotting? Then let's begin. To make this bracelet you need 8 strings in total. 2 210 centimeters long folded in half, 1 240 centimeters long folded in half, which we are going to use to make the loop, and 1 90 centimeters long folded in half, which we are going to use to make the straight edges. The thread I am using is one of the cheaper threads I got on Amazon, and I will link it in the description below. I already made a basic loop at the beginning of my bracelet. If you do not know how to make it, I will link a tutorial in the description below. Start by splitting the strings into 2 groups of 4. In each group, you need to have 3 longer strings and 1 shorter string. First, we will make a shaped start. Start on the left side first. Take one of the longer strings and make a backward-forward knot with it onto the rest of the strings. Put the string to the side, take another longer string, and make a backward-forward knot with it onto the rest of the strings. Take the last longer string and make a backward-forward knot with it onto the last string, which is the shorter string. Then repeat the process on the other side. Take one of the longer strings and make a forward-backward knot with it onto the rest of the strings. Put it to the side, take another longer string and make a forward-backward knot with it onto the rest of the strings. Take the last longer string and make a forward-backward knot with it onto the last string, the shorter string. Now, take the 2 strings in the middle and make a forward knot with the string on the left onto the string on the right. Then take the next string on the right and make a backward knot with it onto the first string. Next, take the next string on the left and make 2 forward knots with it onto the strings on the right. Then take the third string on the right and make 2 backward knots with it onto the strings on the right side. Next, take the third string on the left and make 3 forward knots with it onto the strings on the right. And our shape start is done. Now, take the last two strings on the right side and make a forward-backward knot with the longer string onto the shorter string. Put the shorter one to the side and make two backward knots with the longer string onto the other strings on the right side. Move to the left side, take the last two strings and make a backward forward knot with the longer string onto the shorter string. Put the shorter one to the side and make three forward knots with the longer string onto the strings on the right. And that's it. Repeat this process until you are satisfied with the length of the bracelet. On the right side, make a forward-backward knot onto the last string and backward knots onto the rest of the strings. And on the left side, a backward forward knot onto the last string and forward knots onto the rest of the strings. Once you are satisfied with the length of the bracelet, finish it with shaped end, square knot and twisted ties. If you do not know how to make shaped end, square knot and twisted ties, I will link tutorials in the description below. And that's it. Your chevron bracelet with a twist is done. Do you like it? Will you try to make it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Not with you next week. Bye!